everybody, welcome back to the show. This is day one of Vlogmas. I did say that I was going to do this year despite being super busy. Still don't know how I'm going to edit all of this with working different hours and working 5 days a week now. Last year I was only working 3 days a week. So we're gonna see how this goes. Plus the kiddo is homeschooling now, and I'm the teacher instead of a different teacher. So let's see how this is gonna go. Today we are here at Disney Springs and we are going to go check out Amorettes. They've got some Christmas treats over at Amorettes. So I thought I would start this Vlogmas out with something sweet per the usual, because that's what I tend to like to do, is eat sweet things. And then, oh yes, and this one, who's that?
Charlie, eating candy, a gummy worm.
Of course, he's eating some sweets again. So we stopped by Goofy's candy company, and we got a few treats there. In fact, I have a couple of Christmas cookies, which I'll show you later on in this vlog. But today is actually going to be split into two parts, because if you'll look right behind me, whoop, we've got one of the scavenger hunt Christmas trees of Disney Springs. So we're also going to do that today. But for now, we're going to focus on Amorettes. Let's go get a sweet treat and let's go see how it is. This is my first time doing Christmas here at Disney Springs. So let's get going. Alright, so it's a little loud over here. I've got my headphones on, but Amorettes is right over here next to World of Disney. If you park in the Lime Garage, which is right down that way, you're going to make a right and just keep heading down past Levi's, and Amorettes is right there. Here's what I came for, was the Holiday Mickey Mousse. Chocolate chiffon cake, white chocolate mousse, and dark chocolate mousse for $9. Yummy. I forgot about the Peppermint Eclaire too. White chocolate, peppermint mousse, peppermint candy, and gold leaf. I want that one too. Alright, we got ourselves a nice quiet little spot here over by Deluxe Burger. I mean, there's a little bit of music playing. There, yeah, there is. There's a speaker right there, but hopefully it won't get too loud. We've got these pretty little bags here at Amorettes. So let's give our treats a try. There we go, it's on now.
Hey guys!
Hello, hello. So
it's a green and red worm.
So here's what the Mickey.
And also, guys, watch this. I have to show you something.
Well, I get the receipt. Watch him.
Watch this.
So.
He does. Look, it's a green and red.
Green and red Christmas. All right, so let's open up our little Mickey here.
Green, red, white.
Oh no, it's not sideways, is it?
No.
Okay. I thought it was sideways. Let's.
Now it's only green.
Hang on, just a second. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. Oh. This is what we got, guys. Check that out.
It's a small green piece.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, and look at my Sonic shirt.
Let me get some napkins here. I've got 1 or 2 or 3. Man, look at how shiny this thing is. Like, you can see my reflection in the Mickey. I see you too. There you are. Let's get the fork and let's cut this open. Which part?
First, I want to look at it.
You want to look at it first? Which part should I cut into first? Like, should I just go like right there, right down the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Let's
Not
go
the
down.
ears though.
Not the ears? Okay.
Because I like the ears.
Ooh, this is thick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, a button fell off. That's okay. Ow. It's so thick I can't take it out. Alright, let's see how the textures are gonna go for this one. Because, as you all know, I didn't do too well with the cupcakes last time we were here. Oh, I could smell the chocolate from here. Oh my goodness. Are you sure you don't want to bite? He's backing away. The textures are frightening.
M for M&M.
Ooh. Can you see that? Kind of. Kind of see it.
M&M.
There we go. This is a big bite. Should I go smaller? Probably go smaller, huh? Let's go smaller. There's something crunchy in there. Oh, I think that was the belt, the black belt that's around the rim. Okay.
Maybe we should take the belt off.
It's very chocolatey. The red doesn't taste like anything. And
We should take the belt off.
the mousse. Oh, so the buttons are just sugar. It's a sugar button, but it's softer. It's not crunchy. I think I should eat slow though. That's all I can say for now.
2 yellow M&Ms.
Yeah.
A yellow and red worm.
This one's not too bad on the texture. Yeah, it's not too bad on the texture, because last time we went to Sprinkles, you remember when we went to Sprinkles and I didn't do too well with the cupcakes, huh? Yeah. But this one, the texture's a little bit different. I will say that I have to eat it slower though. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty thick, the chocolate in the middle there, and there's like the cake part is thicker, and there's actual pieces of chocolate chip, it looks like, in here. It's pretty yummy.
The ears are actually chocolate.
Yeah. Oh, they are. Oh, do you want one of the ears? You can have one of the ears. Here, I think I can take it out. Ready? Whoa. No. It's because the wet red stuff, you see it? It's on the ear. He does not want it.
Sticky goldfish.
That's a chocolate. Dark chocolate. It's not bad though. This is my first time having this type of. I always see these with all the YouTubers and such, and it always looks interesting, but I was always concerned whether or not this would be one of those situations where it looks really cool, but then it's terrifying to eat. And just so you know, yay, we did get him his usual Mickey goldfish.
Yeah, because I love hard stuff.
That's right.
And also, let me start my last tooth.
Yeah. We had to pull that one, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. We'll get into that in another video as to why we had to pull.
That one is so in on the side.
Yes, we're protecting that one. Yep.
Remember that candy. Open this.
And with brushing teeth, which was a sensory issue.
Open this.
For another video. Alright, now that we're done with that, I should have brought some. I should have brought some water with me so that I can cleanse my palate. We totally forgot, huh? All right, next is our eclair. Let me see. Can you guys see it? So this is the peppermint eclair. Doesn't that look pretty? Let's take it out of the box though. Oh, they put a sticker on it. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. We're okay.
They put a sticker on what?
On the box. Right here.
It's
right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why did they put a sticker on?
Because they don't want it to slide out.
Oh.
Take the eclair.
Claus is coming. It looks delicious.
It does look delicious, doesn't it? It looks fantastic. Let's take a look.
It doesn't.
Whoa. Whoa, guys.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
Woo, thumbnail.
Hey.
He's gonna say, "Hey guys," every time there's a new. Okay, let's take a bite. This one is the so it's peppermint. I love peppermint, by the way.
I hate peppermint.
You like candy canes? That's what candy canes are. They're peppermint. They're candy canes. It's basically a candy cane eclair. Let's take a bite. Oh, look at it. See, so it's got gold flake on it as well. You can see that.
Some red dot
right
on
there.
your finger.
Yeah, a lot of red. A lot of red.
Eat it.
We actually have gold flake at home for some of Chef's macarons.
Yeah.
So it's actually something that you can
and guys, guess what?
you can find online.
And guys.
Amazon.
And you guys.
I think even Sur La Table I think has the gold flake. So let's take a bite.
And also. And guys, and you guys.
Hang on. I don't know.
Is it good or bad?
I don't know. There's salt in here, and it's making.
I remember the song.
You remember this song? There's salt. It's changing the way it tastes for me. I don't know if I like it.
Maybe not. I didn't listen to the song when I was young.
I don't know, guys. I think I took too big of a bite with the eclair, the mushy part in the middle. Here, let's see.
Do not give me it.
I'm not gonna give it to you. Yeah.
I'm out. No, I'm out of here. I'm sitting right here.
Okay.
Give it
Yep.
to me.
It was this in the middle. So this is similar to the sprinkles cupcake. The flavor is nice. The texture is frightening for me. I don't want Amorettes to be like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. Let me. I don't know, guys. It's really strange that I thought I wouldn't like the Mickey Dome and I would love this, but it's turning out to be the opposite. I'm probably not going to finish this. I'll take one more bite.
Finish it.
Yeah, I'm not going to finish this. The flavor is really, really good. I'll eat this guy. Squirrel. I'll eat the peppermint candy. But I'm going to skip the rest of this just because of the texture. I'm going to use this to try to balance everything back out, but bummer. I was excited about this. Alright, that about wraps it up for Amorettes and for today's Vlogmas. Super quick. I gotta make these quick because we can. I'm not sure how much time I'm gonna have to edit all this stuff. So, the Mickey Dome, the Mickey Christmas Dome, excellente. The eclair, not so excellente. Now we're gonna head back to Amorettes to pick up the map, the scavenger hunt map for the Christmas trees. So stay tuned tomorrow for that one. Yeah, we'll see you later. Say bye.
Bye.
Feliz Navidad. Na, 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 na.
I see another Christmas tree top.
What? Where?
Right there.
Oh my gosh, that one's huge.
I
Ah.
can see the tip of it. I'm done eating this.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.